YouTube? Welcome to this week's vlog. I'm so excited because this week I am bringing you guys something a little different. We are starting our house to home series and I'm just completely stoked about it. So if you are new here, you are tapping in just in time, honey. I want to welcome you to my channel. I hope that you find something here that you love. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with all your girlfriends or anyone that would be interested in the content that we have. Alright, so for those of you who may not know, my family and I relocated from Florida to Texas, and it has been quite the transition, but we're loving it so far. We bought this massive home that we're so in love with, but with that comes a lot of decor and a lot of furniture buying, a lot of spending. And we got rid of all of our furniture when we sold our home. So we're doing everything brand new. And my husband and I wanted to take our time with this process because we want this home to just give you everything, like all the vibes when you walk in. I mean, it's beautiful naked without anything in it. Like, just the layout of the home is absolutely gorgeous. So we just want to accessorize this home and just make it like a wow factor. So we are starting with our family room. We got some pieces in. If you watched the last vlog, we had a couch that we got from Living Spaces, which I really love. It's very modern, very chic, very elegant. And we just needed some minimal pieces to complement that. I'm a very minimalist when it comes to home decor. I don't like clutter. I don't like, things overly done. And I just think it looks more elegant than, sometimes less is best. So I purchased a rug on the last vlog from Wayfair. Absolutely beautiful rug, but it was the wrong size. It wasn't giving me the look that I wanted to go for because it was too small. So I repurchased the same rug in a bigger style, so I'll be showing you guys that here shortly. And we got some other pieces in as well. I believe it was an accent chair and a coffee table, which I'll be putting together, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Let's go. Okay, so this is the couch. It's a curved couch that I absolutely love that we got from Living Spaces. It came with 2 accent pillows, and I just added in these. I got these pillow covers from Amazon, and I felt like I just needed, some black accent pillows to kind of make it pop because we are going with the white and black aesthetic in the living room. This is the rug that I got from Wayfair that I absolutely love, and I think that the accent pillows complement it very well. It's pretty much like the same texture. It's like that shag type of texture, and ironically it's like the same on the pillows. So I eyeballed that pretty well from shopping online. I really do love that, and I think it goes together very, very well. So that was originally all that we started with. And then I had, if you saw the last vlog, you saw that I purchased these 2 accent ottomans. I am not feeling them in here because these are very, very white. And when I look at it against the furniture and the rug is given like an off-white type of color. And those are just way too white, and I feel like I need like a bench or something there. So I'm probably gonna move those to the office. Even though I love them so much, I'm gonna move them to the office because they're just really not giving me what they're supposed to give me in here. So last night, this came from Wayfair. This is like just an accent table, which is very cute. I wanted something not too big, but something that would complement the coffee table that I have for this area. And I felt like this was perfect. It's the perfect height between the couch and the accent chair. Now this, guys, I'm gonna insert the video of me putting this together. It really should not have been as hard as I probably made it. But I love this chair. I got it from, you won't believe, I got it from Walmart. And it is a swivel chair, and it is from the Drew Barrymore furniture line. Very good quality. It came with these 3 accent pillows, so I just kept that. And just to add some texture and color, I got this throw blanket from Walmart, you know, just to kind of make it a little bit more cozy and more homey in here, because with all the white, it can feel like, it could give you those vibes like, you know, can I sit here? Can I touch this type of thing? And I don't want guests to feel like that. So, you know, I felt like I would implement in some black to kind of, you know, keep it classy and elegant, but to also warm it up a little bit. This is one of my favorite accent pieces that we just got. I got this off of, I want to say this came off of Amazon. I don't quite remember. But I really wanted something kind of unique and different. You know, everybody wants a full body mirror, but I just felt like with the curved edges, it gave it, you know, just a little unique feel. And I love how tall it is. It's like, okay, so I am 5'8". And this is like, even at a slant, it's much taller than me. I want to say it was like 76 or 78 inches by like 34. And it just really opens up the space in the living room. Like, it just, you know, whenever you have mirrors, it just makes your home look bigger. So I absolutely love that. All right, and then this was just delivered. This is a coffee table. This also is from the Drew Barrymore collection, and I got it in rich black finish. I think it's going to be the perfect size for that area because it is 40 inches across. So we're gonna put this thing together. Let's go.